Twinkl Learner Manager is our safe and secure area for managing your learners' details, controlling individual and group access, adjusting settings, and viewing reports. And with our newly refreshed design, you'll be set up in no time. So let's take a tour and walk through how to set up logins for your learners. First, click on your username in the top right-hand corner and select Manage Learners. This will bring you into the Learner Management System. To add your learners one at a time, select Add Learner. A unique username and password will be generated for you. You can regenerate these as many times as you wish. Optionally, you can also add extra information such as the child's name, class, year, and group. Once complete, you can add another learner by clicking the button here and following the same process again. If you don't want to proceed, you can press Cancel at any time. Or if you create a learner in error, you can easily delete them by selecting the red minus symbol here on the left. You'll get a pop-up to say the learner has been removed. Once you're ready, click Add Learners to move on. Now it's time to choose which of Twinkl's fantastic digital apps you want to give your learner access to. If you are not familiar with all the different apps, you can select Know More to find a helpful app overview. To give your learner access to all apps, select Grant Access to All Apps at the top right. Alternatively, you can click on the apps you want individually. Once you're done, click Save Access Changes. Some of our web apps require individual settings before they are ready for learners to use. These settings allow you to specify which parts of the apps your learners can interact with. You can tailor settings to your learners' needs or their academic ability. To edit the settings, click Learner Apps from the sidebar. Find the app you wish to set up and click Settings. You can then apply the appropriate settings and click Save. Your learner is now set up and ready to go. Want to upload a whole group or class at once? No worries. You can save time by bulk uploading them from a CSV file. Select the Import Learners button and download the template spreadsheet. You can then add your learners to the template, save it, and upload. Check through your learner logins, then click Add Learners to continue. As we saw before, you can now choose which apps you want to give your learners access to. You can click on the app to bring up the overview to learn more about it. To give all learners access to all apps, you can either click Select All at the top left of the grid or Grant Access to All Apps at the top right. If you wish to give all your learners a selection of apps, you can click the Select All checkbox, which is the first box in each column. Alternatively, if you want to give learners access individually, just select the corresponding boxes in the grid for App and Child. Then click Save to continue. As before, some of our web apps have individual settings, allowing you to tailor settings to your learners' needs. To edit these settings, click Learner Apps from the sidebar. Find the app you wish to set up and click Settings. You can then make changes in bulk or by individual learner. As a tip, it's usually easiest to apply standard settings to the whole class and then go back in and tweak for those children who may need adaptations. To view or modify any of your learners' profiles, select Learners from the menu. To edit, click on the pencil icon. From this screen, you can also review the apps they have access to by clicking on the Access tab. To delete users, simply select Delete Learner within their profile. Alternatively, you can delete individual or multiple learners from the Learner Profiles Overview screen by checking the box next to their names and pressing Delete at the bottom. Groups are used for lessons. To learn more about Twinkl Lessons, visit twinkl.com.au/lessons. Groups can be created and amended from the Groups tab. A learner can sit in multiple groups at once. If you added a group during the learner profile setup, they will appear here. To add some groups, select Add Group. Once the group is set up, you can click View and add learners. Begin typing or select learners from the drop-down. Once you're finished, click Add Learners. To download your learner login data as a CSV file, select All, then choose Export Learners. Alternatively, you can download login labels to save a PDF file ready for printing out.